Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl CBunny. If you haven't already, go and hit that subscribe button, sis. So y'all, in today's video, before we get into that, girl, don't you see these lashes? So you see these lashes? You guys, if you are interested in these lashes, go check out my website. I just love how these like the little space in between, and it's not giving too dramatic, but it's giving enough. It's giving enough. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and check out my website as well. So you guys, in today's video, I am doing an unboxing a hair first impressions. Y'all know I give y'all the real tea and my opinion about the hair. So if you want to know about this, I worked with this company several times. Not several times. I worked with this company before. I will leave my other videos down below. They have some amazing wigs, but this is my first time ever getting some bundles and HD lace, HD frontal, the melts. So if you are interested, go ahead, sis, and continue watching. Okay guys, so it just came in, oh god, now my address is, it came in this little cute pink purplish packaging. It just got Jenna collection, and the tape. Also you guys, I already opened it, as y'all can see. This was packaged. They did send me a cute little Jenna collection, like a red comb, so cute. Now Jenna collection, cute. So it's always, I'm here for the free gifts, sis. I'm always here for that. Okay, you guys, so this is the Melt HD High Definition Invisible Lace. You can dye, perm, bleach, and customize 100% natural virgin Remy human hair, okay? So, yeah. This is how it looks. I don't know why it's little art. I need to come up a little bit. Okay, this is how it looks, you guys. It's an ear invisible lace, and it came with well, 4 pieces, but 3 bundles plus a 13 by 5 HD free part closure. And of course this is in color natural. This is 18, 20, and 20. 18, 20, and 22, you guys. So let's get into it. Y'all need to take this verse out anyway. I don't know, y'all want me to do a video on how I'm installed. I was thinking about doing trying to do a for the first time a lace, not a lace, but a frontal ponytail. And this is a lace frontal. Did I say? Yeah, did I say lace frontal? Yeah, lace frontal. So I was trying to do a lace frontal ponytail, and I was like, oh, it might be cute, depending on how it comes out. So I'm just gonna unbox one bundle, and this is the longest. This is the 22, and we'll get into the frontal in a minute. So let's see what these bundles come like. I never tried this hair with them. No bad smell. It says a natural, like a natural is more like a brownish color, but it looks so like real dark for it to, you know. This is the bundle, how it looks. And y'all tell me what y'all think about it as well in the comment section as I'm reviewing it. Because I know I got a lot of hair experts that watch me as well. Right now I'm not getting any shedding. I'll tell y'all what type of hair, what kind of hair. I think it's just the body wave, guys. Yeah, it's just the body wave. So this is how it would, let's put my braids back. This is a 22. So if you get this hair, that's why I would like install it. So it will come about right there, you guys. to your breasts unless you got the lift. Yeah. I don't have a breast lift, but yeah, it'll come right there to your breasts. Oh yeah, this is how it looks. It's not as silky, but it's soft. I don't see any. Well, let me see, guys. It's not as moist. I'm not getting any shedding, you guys. Leave everything down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this hair after this review. Like I said, I have worked with Jenny Collection many times. If you guys hear anything going on in the background, it's my husband. He's out there doing the yard. And yeah, so sorry guys. And this was the perfect time for me to do this video because the kids in that room, I think they're taking sleep. And he's not in here with the TV on. So yeah, that's the perfect time for me to do this video for you guys. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the lace. Well, not the frontal. It's still a lace, but y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all get what I'm saying, child. Do your baby hairs, pre-plucked hairline. They claim it's already plucked, and the meltdown. So. Pre-plucked. Look how it's not as thick. It looks good to me. Or I may just let my sister-in-law do it. I don't know, but this is it, guys. And it's very, very affordable. I believe it's $110. I'm gonna put the price and stuff down there as well so you guys can check it out. But if you're looking for affordable frontal, if you don't want to go spend a lot of money and if it's your first time ever trying a HD lace or a frontal period, this probably would be like the best route for you to go. If you want to just give it a try or whatever. So, because you don't want to just go spend a lot of money and then you don't like the shit, so you don't like it. So yeah, I would highly recommend Jenny Collection. Definitely for beginners, but for anybody, if you just not trying to break the bank. The only thing I can say, I don't know, like, why is the lace is so dark? But it's so dark, y'all. But I don't know, I would put the powder on it. Look at me. You can't really tell, guys, because of these braids. But let me know if you want to see what I do with this hair and how I'm gonna do it. I will do a part 2 of this video. Yeah, but if it's ugly, I probably won't. If it don't come out how I want it to, because I really was thinking about doing a ponytail, because you guys, this summer, y'all know it's summertime, and I'm gonna put these braids right back in because I plan on doing a lot of swimming. Yeah, but I really want to try the ponytail. But anyway, let me just stop rambling, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Like I said, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel. I do have more coming for you guys. And also, if you want to get into these lashes, don't forget to check out my website as well. And you guys, I just love like the space in between these. Like, they're so cute. But anyway, you guys, yeah, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.